nature could be fun!
Okay, this is a makeshift spear I just made out of a tree. Just broke this crap off, okay? Now listen, spear hunting is very important in the woods, all right? It can save you at least 99% of the time from anything that happens. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to throw it. Ah! And that's how that happens. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna hurt, but it's necessary. This is how you do makeshift bedding, okay? It's not too bad, except for the thorns. It's the kind of place I like to stay.
Fishing. Nailed it!
That's a good path! Time to forge a new one! What the? That's my stuff! Intruders. There's nothing better after a long day of manhunting than to find a grill. Here you can see we have a nice arm that we've been cooking. It's gonna be delicious. I'm David Pendas, and this is Forging Grills with David Pendas.
Hey man, what you got there?